Hey YouTube, I just wanted to make a video about what I've been hearing on YouTube about the Chris Rock interview with Oprah. And I missed it, but I went and found the episode, and I favorited it. So if you wanted to see it, you can just go to my channel, and I got it from 1 to 7, and you can go check it out for yourself. But I liked the interview. It was only one thing he said that I didn't like, but overall, I thought it was a great interview. When he talked about how his hands were thirsty, how when he dated, Asian women, Latino women, and Caucasian women, and he just couldn't keep his hands out of their hair, and he just touched in their hair like his hands was thirsty. That I didn't like that, because black women would love for that to be the case with us, but we're still trying to get it together. We thought we solved the long hair situation with weaves and wigs, but that wasn't a solution. And a lot of us now are going natural. And even with our natural hair, I know for myself, I can't speak for everyone else, but for myself, I still don't have touchable hair, because my hair is either wet, and that's not touchable, or I have product in my hair that makes my hair stiff, and that's not touchable, or sticky, and that's not touchable. I haven't achieved that balance yet, and I'm striving to. And I think most black women would love to have that touchable hair. It's not something that, in my opinion, is our fault. We're conditioned that long, silky, shiny hair is the hair to have. And even our young men see the dolls that we play with as children as the hair to play in. And so when they become older men, young men, they look for that hair to play in. And we would love for it to be ours. But I have not seen a popular doll with an afro or kinky hair. It's all conditioning. And it's a sad situation. But with the natural movement, at least we're trying to achieve that balance. And it's just, I don't know, it just made me feel a little bit sad with that comment, thirsty hands. I don't know. I know I would love to have touchable hair, but right now I don't. I looked at Oprah's hair, and she's got touchable hair, and it was beautiful. I thought Oprah was wearing a weave, and it was nice to see that that's her hair. It was really nice. And black women can grow long hair. I've seen that on YouTube, and we're all just trying to achieve that balance, I think. And that comment made me a little sad, but yeah, I get over that. But no, overall, I'm looking forward to seeing the movie. I think he's going to do a good job. I hope he's laughing with us instead of at us. I'm proud of the black entertainers that stepped forward and admitted that they're wearing weaves or wigs. And I don't know, it's like when you tell on yourself, no one can hold it against you, so I was proud of them for that, because even with their weaves and wigs, they look beautiful, and I don't know, I'm looking forward to seeing it. The whole interview had me thinking. I thought about Beyonce's sister and how she cut off all her hair. I thought that was extremely brave to be a popular entertainer and to do something radical like that. I commend her for that, and I think it's going to have a rippling effect. I think it's going to be good for the African American community, and maybe even for our men, because she's a beautiful woman, and maybe our men will, I don't know, be more inclined to look at that as beauty instead of, ew, look at that bald-headed sister, you know. So I don't know. But I'm hoping that this movie is a good thing for us. And if it's not, we'll do what we usually do. We overcome. So that's just my take on it. I think it did a good job. I think the interview was good. I thought the whole thing was a positive interview. And I'm looking forward to seeing the movie. And again, if y'all want to see it, the episode, if you missed it, if you was at work or at school or wherever, and you can't find it on YouTube, because it took me a minute to find it on YouTube, but I thought it'd be just easier, because I wanted some family members to see it. I thought it'd just be easier to just go ahead to my channel and see the whole episode that way. So if you're interested, you can go and do the same thing. So I hope my comments didn't offend anyone, but comment, let me know what you think. Okay, and I'll talk to y'all another time. Okay, bye-bye.